Do you know how much money people are spending on crochet right now? And most of them are not buying it from stores. They're buying it from people sitting at home with a hook and some yarn. And if you have ever thought crochet was just something your grandma did on Sunday afternoons, what you're about to see is going to completely change your mind. Because right now, in 2025 and going into 2026, crochet is one of the hottest things in home decor, fashion, and DIY crafts, and we are going all in on it today. I'm going to show you the beautiful ideas out there, the ones that are actually trending, actually selling, and honestly just really satisfying to look at. So stay with me because by the end of this, you are going to want to pick up a hook and start something today. Let me start by saying something that might surprise you. A lot of people think crochet is too hard to try or too old-fashioned to be worth the time, and those people are missing out in a really big way. Because what is happening in the crochet world right now is nothing short of a full-on comeback. Designers on runways are using it, interior decorators are putting it in living rooms, small business owners are selling handmade crochet pieces for serious money on platforms like Etsy and Instagram. This is not a hobby that is fading out. It is growing, and it is growing fast. So let me take you through the best of it, starting with home decor, moving into DIY ideas, and finishing with fashion. Because yes, crochet fashion is absolutely a thing right now, and it looks incredible. Let us talk about the home first, because this is where crochet really gets to shine. One of the biggest trends right now is the crochet table runner, and I know that sounds simple, but wait until you actually see what people are making. These are not your plain, boring strips of fabric. We are talking about lace-style runners with intricate floral patterns, geometric designs, open weave details, the kind of thing that makes a dining table look like it belongs in a magazine. The most popular colors right now are cream, white, and warm dusty tones like sage green and terracotta. And when you lay one of these across a wooden table, the contrast is just stunning. It looks like something you would find in a high-end home store, except you made it yourself with your own hands. And speaking of things that look like they came from an expensive store, crochet wall hangings are absolutely everywhere right now. Specifically, large mandala-style wall hangings. These are big circular pieces with layers of texture and pattern that you hang on your wall like artwork. And honestly, that's exactly what they are. People are making these in neutral tones to match boho-style rooms or in bold colors to make a statement. Some of them are nearly 3 feet wide. They fill a wall beautifully, they add warmth and texture to a space, and they're the kind of thing guests always ask about the second they walk into a room. If you've never tried making one, there are beginner-friendly patterns out there that break it down step by step. The payoff is worth every single stitch. Now, let's talk about something that combines function and beauty in the most perfect way: crochet throw blankets. This is not a new idea, but the way people are doing it right now is really fresh. The trending styles are chunky, thick throws with a waffle stitch texture, or classic granny square blankets made in modern color combinations. Think burnt orange, olive green, and warm beige all together, or blush pink and cream, or a bold mix of black and white. The granny square has had a massive comeback, and it's showing up everywhere, on sofas, draped over armchairs, folded at the end of beds. It's cozy, it's stylish, and it's one of the most beginner-friendly things you can make in crochet. One more home decor idea that's really taking off right now is crochet plant hangers. These are wall-mounted or ceiling-hung holders for your potted plants. They usually mix macrame-style knotting with crochet work, and the result is this gorgeous boho modern piece that adds so much personality to a room. They're actually not that complicated to make either, and you can customize them to hold any size pot. If you have a bunch of trailing plants and want a way to display them that doesn't look like every other house on the street, crochet plant hangers are the move. And then there are crochet pillow covers. These deserve a special mention because they're one of the easiest ways to instantly change the look of a room. A plain couch with a couple of handmade crochet pillow covers suddenly feels warm, artistic, and intentional. The most popular styles right now use a 3D bobble stitch or raised flower pattern that creates this beautiful textured surface. You can make them in literally any color to match your existing decor. And if you're ever looking for something to make as a gift, a set of matching crochet pillow covers wrapped up nicely is the kind of thing people actually lose their minds over. Okay, now let's shift from the home into DIY, the stuff you can make and wear, carry, or give away. Bags are one of the hottest DIY crochet items right now, and I mean that completely. Crochet bags, tote bags, market bags, bucket bags, mini shoulder bags are trending in a massive way. People are making them, styling them, posting them, and selling them. A well-made crochet bag in a neutral tone or a fun summer color can sell for anywhere between $30 and $80, and they take a surprisingly short time to make once you have the pattern down. The granny square bag deserves its own moment here because it's genuinely iconic right now. You take those classic granny square motifs and you stitch them together into a flat panel bag shape, add some handles, maybe a simple lining, and you have something that looks like it was pulled straight off a fashion influencer's Instagram. It's fun to make, it's endlessly customizable, and people absolutely love it. Drawstring bags are also having a massive moment. Simple crochet drawstring pouches in soft pastel colors, think sage, dusty rose, lavender, are perfect for gifting, for carrying small things, or for storing jewelry. They're a quick project, great for using up leftover yarn, and they always look really polished when they're done. Now let's get into something a little more exciting, crochet fashion. Because yes, crochet is absolutely a fashion statement in 2025, and it's been building toward this for a few years now. What started as a niche boho aesthetic has gone fully mainstream, and you can see crochet pieces everywhere from high street shops to actual runway shows. The biggest trend right now in crochet fashion is the matching set, a crochet crop top paired with a matching skirt or wide leg pants. These cords are all over social media right now, and they look genuinely incredible when done well. Open weave patterns in cream or warm brown tones are especially popular because they work as a beach cover-up, a festival outfit, or even a dressed-up casual look depending on what you style them with. If you can crochet a basic rectangle, you can start figuring out how to make these pieces. Patterns range from beginner to intermediate, and the results are genuinely stunning. Crochet cardigans are a massive trend right now. Long, open weave cardigans that flow over a simple outfit. These are showing up everywhere. They come in soft pastels, earthy neutrals, even bold colors. The open stitch patterns make them lightweight enough to wear in warmer weather, and they layer beautifully in cooler months. A well-made crochet cardigan is the kind of piece that looks effortless and expensive at the same time. And then there are the accessories. Crochet bucket hats are everywhere right now. Crochet headbands, hair scarves, and clips. Even crochet jewelry. Little flower earrings, beaded necklaces, delicate rings made with thread crochet techniques. These small accessories are actually a great entry point if you are new to crochet fashion because they are quick to make, use minimal yarn, and the learning curve is much gentler than making a full garment. Here's the thing about all of this, and this is what really gets me about crochet as a craft. Every single item I have talked about today can be made at home, by you, at your own pace, with tools that cost almost nothing. A crochet hook set is inexpensive, yarn is inexpensive, and the things you can create with those two basic items have real value. Aesthetic value, personal value, and if you choose to sell, real financial value too. The skill gap between beginner and wow, that looks amazing in crochet is also a lot smaller than most people think. You really can start with almost zero experience, and within a few weeks be making things that genuinely impress people. The key is starting with the right projects, following clear patterns, and just giving yourself the time to practice. It is one of those crafts where every hour you put in, you can see the improvement. And that feeling of finishing something beautiful with your own hands, honestly, nothing else quite matches it. Whether your goal is to decorate your home